Can you believe it? A simple oil, often thought of as just a joint lubricant or skin soother, may actually help restore blood circulation in the genital area, enhance nerve sensitivity, and reactivate a deep sense of masculinity that many men believe is permanently lost after the age of 60. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. With over 20 years of experience caring for older men across the U.S., I've seen hundreds of patients quietly struggle with a loss of vitality, not just physical, but emotional. They no longer feel like themselves, disconnected, disinterested, and worse, too ashamed to talk about it. According to the National Institute on Aging, more than 60% of men over 65 experience poor pelvic blood flow and reduced genital sensitivity, but less than 20% ever seek help. Why? Because they don't know that a simple, natural, safe, and drug-free solution exists, scientifically proven to support male vitality restoration, and fully doable at home in just 5 minutes a day. Today, I'll show you how to use castor oil, a clinically supported, gentle, and discreet method, to boost circulation, improve erections, enhance sensation, and reconnect with your own body. If you're over 60 and ready to reclaim your masculine energy, leave a comment below. I'm ready to begin. And together, let's explore this powerful therapy. But first, we need to understand, why does this simple oil have the power to restore vitality in men over 60? The first major benefit of castor oil is its ability to enhance peripheral blood circulation, especially in the lower abdomen and pelvic floor muscles. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology 2010 found that applying castor oil with warm compresses increased local blood flow by an average of 23% within just 30 minutes. This matters because healthy blood flow is the foundation of natural erectile function. Secondly, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid with strong anti-inflammatory properties. According to the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, 2018, this compound helps inhibit inflammatory cytokines and relax tense muscle tissue, particularly in the pelvic floor and lower back, which are common tension zones in older men due to prolonged sitting and circulatory issues. The third benefit is biological stress reduction. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Pharmacology found that castor oil helps downregulate HPA axis activation. In other words, it lowers cortisol levels, which supports better sleep and promotes the natural restoration of testosterone. Fourth, castor oil helps increase skin sensitivity and pleasure response in the genital area, something that often declines with age. Its deep moisturizing and mild antibacterial effects improve tactile sensation, especially when the skin becomes dry, tight, or desensitized over time. And finally, an often overlooked benefit is castor oil's ability to help men reconnect with their bodies. Gentle daily massage with castor oil isn't just physical care, it's a ritual of reclaiming control, reawakening awareness, and restoring confidence in your own skin. That's a powerful first step in revitalizing natural male sexual function. Now that you understand why castor oil has the potential to support vitality restoration in men over 60, it's important to know that results only come when you apply it correctly, to the right areas, and in alignment with your body's natural biological rhythm. Let's start with choosing the right type of oil. Always go for organic, cold-pressed castor oil, free from chemical solvents like hexane. Prioritize products that are tested for microbial safety and heavy metals, such as those from Heritage Store or Queen of Thrones. These oils contain the highest levels of ricinoleic acid, the key compound responsible for castor oil's anti-inflammatory, muscle-relaxing, and circulation-boosting properties. Next, follow the allergy patch test protocol, especially if you have sensitive skin or take medications. Apply a small amount to the inside of your forearm and wait 24 hours. If there's no redness, burning, or itching, it's safe to proceed. Now, let's talk about how to use castor oil the right way, and I'll give you 2 methods, depending on your time and goals. Method 1 is genital and perineal massage, done once daily, ideally in the evening after a warm shower. After drying off, place 5 to 7 drops of castor oil in your hands, rub them to warm, then gently massage around the base of the penis, the scrotum, and the perineum. According to a study published in Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice, 2020, combining plant-based oils with perineal massage techniques significantly relieves pelvic floor tension, improves microcirculation, and enhances peripheral nerve sensation, all critical factors in erectile function and orgasmic response. Method 2 is the castor oil pack, especially that useful if you're dealing with chronic stress, insomnia, or low testosterone levels. You'll need a clean piece of cotton cloth soaked in 1-2 tablespoons of castor oil and placed on your lower abdomen or suprapubic region, just above the base of the penis. Cover with plastic wrap and apply a warm compress at about 113 to 45 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. A study from the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, 2015, found that this method can lower serum cortisol, increase serotonin, and improve sleep quality in older adults. For both techniques, you should maintain the practice for at least 4 to 6 weeks before evaluating results. Many of my patients report noticeable improvements within the first 10 to 14 days, including enhanced penile sensitivity, renewed sexual desire, and most importantly, a restored sense of confidence and connection with their own body. To naturally enhance sexual function using castor oil, where you apply it and how you apply it matter far more than most people realize. Many men make the mistake of rubbing oil on random skin areas without understanding that certain regions of the male body, especially after age 60, act as critical hubs for blood flow, nerve signaling, and hormonal function related to sexuality. The first area to focus on is the perineum, the region between the anus and the scrotum. This area contains a dense concentration of nerve endings and blood vessels in the pelvic floor. According to a study published in Neurourology and Urodynamics, 2017, perineal massage helps improve venous circulation, reduce mechanical tension, and increase erectile reflex sensitivity. Use 5 to 7 drops of castor oil, massage in circular motions for about 5 minutes each evening before bed, ideally after a warm shower. The second area is the base of the penis and the scrotal skin, where major arteries supply blood to the erectile chambers, corpora cavernosa. When blood flow to this area is restricted, due to aging, visceral fat, or a sedentary lifestyle, erectile capacity declines. Gently warm the oil in your hands and apply it evenly around the base, stroking from inside to out without applying excessive pressure. The goal is to stimulate peripheral capillaries without irritating the sensitive tissue. The third area is the suprapubic region, located just above the base of the penis, an area that tends to accumulate subcutaneous fat with age. This fat pad can obscure part of the penile shaft and restrict blood flow. Applying warm castor oil compresses to this area 2 to 3 times per week can help relax smooth muscle, enhance circulation, and relieve pressure and heaviness in the lower abdomen, according to findings in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies, 2016. Finally, if you experience lower back pain or stiffness, consider massaging this area with diluted castor oil. This region corresponds with the lumbar nerve plexus, which includes nerves directly involved in sexual function, as mapped out by the American Urological Association's neurological distribution charts. Remember, a consistent routine that combines targeted massage, the natural anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil, and slow, controlled breathing during application is the key for men over 60 to not only restore natural erectile function, but also reignite emotional and physical connection with both their bodies and their partners. While castor oil is a powerful supportive therapy, if you truly want to achieve optimal results in restoring vitality after age 60, you need to combine it with additional factors to build a comprehensive self-care system. The first key is pelvic floor training. According to a study published in the British Journal of General Practice, 2005, men over 60 who performed consistent pelvic floor exercises for 12 weeks saw improvements in erectile function in up to 75% of cases. Just 5 minutes each morning is enough to do Kegel exercises, gently contracting the pelvic floor muscles, holding for 5 seconds, and then releasing. When combined with castor oil massage, the benefits are amplified by improving both blood flow and the activation of sexual nerves. Next is nutrition that supports nitric oxide and natural testosterone production. Focus on foods rich in natural nitrates such as beets, spinach, pomegranate, and watermelon. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2018, found that plant-based nitrates help lower blood pressure, increase nitric oxide, NEO levels, and improve pelvic blood flow, all essential for healthy erections. Don't overlook the importance of deep, regular sleep. During sleep, especially REM cycles, your body produces testosterone. According to the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA 2011, just 5 consecutive nights of poor sleep can reduce testosterone by 10 to 15%. Make sure to get 7-8 hours of uninterrupted sleep in a dark, quiet environment. For added relaxation, try massaging 1 to 2 drops of castor oil into the soles of your feet before bed. In terms of medical safety, castor oil is generally well tolerated when used topically. However, you should avoid it if you have open wounds, active genital inflammation, allergies to plant-based oils, or if you're taking strong blood thinners like warfarin. Always do a patch test before your first use, and if you have complex health conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or coronary artery disease, consult your physician before beginning. Above all, stay consistent. Castor oil isn't an overnight fix, but in my clinical experience, if used correctly and regularly, most men begin noticing real changes between week 2 and week 6. Stronger erections, increased sensitivity, and most importantly, renewed confidence during intimacy. If you're a man over 60 looking for a natural way to restore sexual health, this is the time to begin a new chapter. Gentle, safe, and highly effective. Castor oil is not a magic cure, but when applied properly to the right areas and combined with smart lifestyle choices, it can help boost pelvic blood flow, enhance nerve sensitivity, and reactivate the masculine vitality you may have thought was gone for good. Studies from Frontiers in Pharmacology and the Journal of Ethnopharmacology have clearly demonstrated castor oil's effects in reducing inflammation, relaxing smooth muscles, improving sleep, and supporting peripheral nerve function. But more important than the science is your own commitment. A few minutes of massage each day, a few drops of oil, and a decision to prioritize your health. That's what leads to lasting transformation. If you're ready to boost natural testosterone, improve sexual function without medication, and take control of your health, leave a comment below. I'm starting today. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Zone, where I, Dr. Emily Carter, share the most practical, evidence-based strategies for men's health after 60. I'll see you in the next video.